Your ad copy is a 8-step process. Now, first of all, your ad copy needs to know who is your target audience. Who are you writing this ad for? Who is your target audience? Is it a 21 to 25-year-old you're helping with career choices or relationship or emotional issues? Or is it or is it someone who is looking for second life? Okay, second life after retirement or after second innings kind, after maternity, long break on maternity. What is it? Who is your target audience? Because then you have to address the pain of your target audience, specific pain. Because when you address specific pain, it becomes attention grabbing content. So first, address your target audience. So for me, attention, teachers, trainer, coaches, consultants, right? My target audience. Attention, SME business owners with a revenue of 1 to 5 crores. Such lines draw the attention of your target audience. They know this article is meant for them. This ad copy is meant for them. So first, grab the attention of your target audience by referring them. Okay. Then you have to talk about the 3 pains or problems they are going through, or 3 fears and frustrations they are having at present, for which you have a solution in the form of a question. Okay. And then your ad copy must also contain what is it that they are going to learn from you? How will they benefit from your offering? What is the solution you are giving them for the pain? It is again boiled down to the 13P process that we discussed. And that is why that GPS is the foundation of your business. It gives you the marketing collaterals. Your market readiness is coming from your GPS. And where is your GPS coming from? From your personal clarity, from your passion, from your profession, from your expertise and experience, from your own stories, your credibility, ETR, on the right? So everything, all the pieces are beautifully connecting. And finally, this becomes your ad, the content of your ad copy. So what is it they are going to learn? How will they benefit from your offering? And any freebies that you want to offer them, okay? A free ebook, free bonus courses, free templates, free assessments, whatever you can offer them as free. That is very important. What is the extra they are going to get? Everybody loves more. Dil mange more. Amazon ka ad hai, और दिखाओ, right? Look at, you always want more than what is being offered. So very important to give them something more than that what they are expecting. Okay. So how you, first of all, address your target audience, address their pain, and tell them how you are going to resolve their pain and what is it that they are going to learn, and what are the bonuses and freebies they are going to get. I will open it up for questions. Your ad copy should be conversational statement, right? It should not be a speech. It should not be like an essay. So it should be a conversation, like anyone who is reading your ad copy should feel that they are personal, that you are personally talking to them, right? It should be in the form of a conversation. And then make sure that you communicate the difference between price and value. For example, the price of this live workshop is whatever, right? 2,999 or whatever you guys have paid, right? Or the price of my 30-day challenge is 14,999 rupees. But the value people have got is minimum 10x value, I guarantee. It depends on how much you knew before, right? If Dr. Suryadeep has to put a value to this program, what is the value of these courses for him, right? If Renu says, what was the value of 30-day challenge for her, right? What is the value Radhika will put to the 30-day challenge? What is the value you are going to put? Whatever price you paid versus the value you are getting, right? So price may be less, but value can be enormous. You tell me how much is the value you have. You don't have to put a number. It could be 10x, 100x. There are people who say, I got infinite value from your program. I can't put a number. It's priceless. So what is the value you are getting out of the program and what is the price you paid? So always have that clarity. Even though you're pricing your workshop at 99 rupees, 199, what is the value they are going to, how much worth it is? Now that is very subjective, but in some cases, the value can be defined. Like I think my 30-day challenge was worth 6 lakhs. That is the if I have to give a value, because it came from many participants. And I also was thinking like that based on whatever investment I have done in the past, that whatever I do in the 30-day challenge, though I'm pricing it at 15,000, the value of those session is worth 6 lakhs. Okay. So if it can come from one person, 2%, or it can come from a group of people, right? A value anyways you're getting, but if I want that for that much time that I'm spending, I should also get that much price, right? Then we have to look at how many number of people should be participating so that I get that particular, because it depends, right? So that's how you will also price your program, right? Now, very important, your credibility. Why should they come to you? What's your ETR? Why have you earned the right to tell them that you have a solution for their problem? Why you? What's your story? What's your experience? What's your expertise? How many lives have you transformed? In what way have you transformed? That is why that your name, your unique designation, and how many years of experience you have, and what are the results you have given to the people, that becomes your ETR. So all these things should go in your ad copy. And then a call to action. What is a call to action? Okay, join my workshop, download my free PDF, download my ebook. I will see you in the live session, or download the mini course. You must have a call to action. What is it that you want them to do next? What is it that you want your target audience to do next? Join the WhatsApp group. And the most important aspect of your ad copy is the creatives, the media, the video, the creatives that you are going to be making. Because your creative need to stand out. Your video need to stand out. People are giving attention to that. Based on that, they will read your ad copy.